Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a design trend that has completely transformed urban and rural living: industrial house design. It's a style born from the repurposing of old factories and warehouses, celebrating raw materials and functional beauty. If you've ever been captivated by exposed brick, high ceilings, and the rugged elegance of concrete and steel, this video is your ultimate guide. We'll uncover the core meaning of this design, its practical benefits, how to create a stunning industrial exterior, and show you 10 of the best designs that are pushing the boundaries of modern architecture. Get ready to embrace the grit and glam of industrial living. At its heart, industrial house design is an architectural and interior style that finds beauty in the raw and unfinished elements typically hidden in conventional homes. The style originated in the early 20th century, when developers began converting abandoned factories, warehouses, and lofts into residential spaces. Instead of concealing the original structure, the design ethos was to celebrate it. This means the meaning of industrial design lies in the exposed structural components, things like visible steel beams, ductwork, plumbing pipes, and bare brick walls. It's a philosophy that values a utilitarian aesthetic, functionality, and the honesty of materials. A home with an industrial design is a space that tells a story, blending a sense of urban history and rugged authenticity with the comfort and sophistication of modern living. It's an ode to the past and a bold statement for the future. Choosing an industrial house design offers a wealth of benefits that make it a compelling choice for homeowners. Firstly, the design is a champion of open-concept living. By removing unnecessary walls and leaving structural elements exposed, industrial homes naturally feature vast, expansive interiors with high ceilings. This creates an incredible sense of space, freedom, and airiness that is perfect for entertaining and modern family life. Secondly, the materials used in industrial design are incredibly durable and low maintenance. Raw concrete floors, exposed brick walls, and steel accents are built to last and require minimal upkeep, saving you time and money on maintenance and repairs. This rugged durability is not just practical, it's a core part of the aesthetic, as the natural patina of these materials adds to the home's character over time. Finally, an industrial home is an unparalleled canvas for creativity and personalization. The neutral color palette and raw textures provide a perfect backdrop for a wide range of interior styles, from colorful and eclectic to sleek and minimalist. The juxtaposition of a vintage leather sofa against a concrete wall, or a crystal chandelier hanging from an exposed ceiling beam is what gives industrial design its unique, sophisticated edge. It's a style that allows you to blend old with new, creating a home that is truly one of a kind. The exterior of an industrial home sets the tone for the entire design and is a crucial part of the style's identity. To create a stunning exterior, the focus should be on celebrating raw and honest materials. A great place to start is with the siding and structural elements. Consider using materials like dark-toned corrugated metal panels, which provide a distinctive texture and a utilitarian feel. Exposed brick, concrete blocks, or even a mix of these with warm cedar siding can create a dynamic and authentic industrial look. Next, pay close attention to windows and doors. Industrial design is known for its large, often black-framed, windows that are reminiscent of old factory windows. These not only provide ample natural light, but also create a striking visual contrast against the raw siding. A front door made of heavy wood or steel, possibly with a minimalist handle, will complete the look. Finally, a minimalist and thoughtful approach to landscaping is key. Steer clear of fussy gardens and manicured lawns. Instead, opt for clean, low-maintenance hardscaping. Use crushed gravel, concrete pathways, or large, unadorned pavers. For greenery, use simple, structural plants like tall grasses, succulents, or plants in large, industrial-style planters made of corten steel or raw concrete. The goal is to create an exterior that is bold, functional, and perfectly in tune with its rugged, modern aesthetic. While industrial design has a core identity, it has also evolved into several popular and distinct styles. Modern industrial. This style combines the raw elements of industrial design with the sleek lines and minimalism of modern architecture. Think clean concrete walls, polished steel, and large, open spaces with carefully curated, minimalist furniture. Rustic industrial. A warmer take on the industrial style, blending raw materials like exposed brick and metal with rustic elements like reclaimed wood, antique furniture, and cozy textiles. This creates a space that feels both rugged and inviting. Urban loft. This is the original industrial style, characterized by high ceilings, massive windows, and an open concept layout. It often features exposed ductwork, concrete floors, and a mix of vintage and contemporary furniture that reflects city living. Industrial farmhouse. A fusion of the rural farmhouse aesthetic with industrial elements. This style incorporates a farmhouse's traditional charm, like a big porch and a gabled roof, with industrial touches like dark metal accents, reclaimed wood, and black framed windows. Now, let's explore 10 stunning examples that perfectly showcase the creativity and rugged elegance of industrial house design. The bold black box industrial home. This design is a striking example of modern industrial style. The home features a sleek, dark-toned exterior with a combination of textured and flat siding, giving it a minimalist yet powerful presence. The dramatic use of large, floor-to-ceiling windows with black frames creates a beautiful contrast and opens up the interior to the stunning natural surroundings, making it a perfect blend of ruggedness and sophistication. 2. The urban rustic industrial conversion. This home perfectly captures the essence of a converted warehouse. The exterior features a prominent mix of exposed red brick and large metal-framed windows, which are hallmarks of the industrial loft aesthetic. The raw materials and utilitarian feel are softened by the warm, inviting light spilling from the large windows, creating a design that feels both historical and perfectly modern. 3. The rustic metal and wood industrial home. This design celebrates the raw beauty of materials by pairing two very different textures. The home features a dark, corrugated metal siding that gives it a rugged, weathered look, which is perfectly balanced by warm, natural wood accents. This combination creates a design that is visually dynamic and feels both industrial and welcoming, a testament to the versatility of the style. 4. The geometric industrial with a cantilevered design. This home is an architectural masterpiece, showcasing a bold, multi-level design with sharp geometric lines. The use of a gray, textured exterior material is both durable and stylish. The most striking feature is the cantilevered section of the home that extends dramatically over the landscape, creating a sense of a floating structure and adding an element of modern sculpture to the design. 5. The modernist concrete and glass industrial home. This design is a celebration of minimalism and raw materials. The exterior is dominated by a raw concrete finish that provides a sense of strength and durability. This heavy material is balanced by large, expansive glass walls that open up the home and bring in an abundance of natural light. The flat roof and clean lines further reinforce the home's sophisticated and minimalist industrial aesthetic. 6. The sleek, dark, and angular industrial home. This home makes a powerful statement with its clean, sharp lines and dark, moody color palette. The exterior is clad in a modern, dark siding, creating a seamless and sophisticated look. The large, black-framed windows are strategically placed to not only let in light but also to break up the solid facade, adding visual interest and a sense of architectural rhythm. 7. The bright and airy industrial home. This home proves that industrial design isn't all about dark colors and raw edges. The design uses a combination of light-colored brick and large windows to create an airy and inviting feel. The raw texture of the brick still provides the industrial aesthetic, but the bright color palette and plentiful natural light make the home feel open, fresh, and modern. 8. The minimalist concrete and wood industrial home. This design strikes a perfect balance between the cold, raw texture of concrete and the warmth of natural wood. The simple, box-like structure is a hallmark of modern design, but the juxtaposition of the two materials creates a unique and compelling aesthetic. The use of a minimalist garage door in the same wood tones completes the look, emphasizing functionality and style. 9. The industrial farmhouse hybrid home. This design cleverly blends the charm of a rustic farmhouse with a rugged, industrial aesthetic. The home features a gabled roof and a warm, inviting porch, but these classic elements are paired with dark, metal siding and a clean, modern color palette. This fusion creates a unique home that is both cozy and contemporary, perfect for a rural or suburban setting. 10. The utility-focused industrial barn-style home. This home takes inspiration from classic barn structures and gives them an industrial twist. The exterior features a mix of corrugated metal siding and warm wood, with a large, double-height entrance that mimics a barn door. The design is all about functionality and honest materials, creating a home that is both practical and stylish, a true testament to its industrial roots. From converted warehouses to brand new architectural marvels, industrial design is a style that celebrates honesty, durability, and a bold aesthetic. It's a design philosophy that empowers you to create a home that is not just beautiful, but also a true reflection of your unique style. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern industrial house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.